Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you already delete and reinstall Ludo King but it's still crashing right away exactly like before? Here's what you need to try next. If a straightforward reinstall did not fix it, the next step is making sure nothing from the old install is lingering. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down. Start to power off. Wait the full 30 seconds and turn it back on. Since reinstalling on top of an unrebooted system can still crash from leftover memory issues, after restarting, go ahead and open your App Store and tap on your profile picture and confirm you have the latest version of Ludo King, not an older caged version. Go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and confirm that you have several gigabytes of free space, not just a bare minimum. Since a persistent crash after reinstalling often points to storage still being tight to fully load the games assessed. If it is still crashing after all of these, reach out to Ludo King support directly at contact@ludokingsupport.com with your device model, since this level of persistent crash can be diagnosed by their team directly. So all you've got to do is restart your phone after reinstalling, confirm the latest version, free up real storage room, contact support if it's still crashing, and that's it. Subscribe.